Hey everyone, I'm Fred Ranger and I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I am super excited because I'm always super excited in my videos. I just realized that. I guess I'm just a positive guy. I'm team positivity like Gary Vee, I guess. But ultimately, I'm super excited because Fujifilm just released firmware update 1.10 for the X-H1. And I'm super excited because it's supposed to be a big fix for a couple of the things that were irritating me using this camera. Autofocus being the first top one on the list, and supposedly it's more snappier, it's better, and it's smoother. The second thing is auto ISO increments. Back then, if you look at the video I did a couple weeks ago, I was super irritated by the way the camera would be dealing with auto ISO from a well-lit situation to a darker situation. It was doing it via increment and it was really noticeable. It was not smooth, so supposedly they fixed that too. And the overall usability of the video functions of the camera. So again, super excited. Why don't we do a little switch here? So I'm gonna put my beloved Canon. See, it's not really working for the autofocus. That's the problem with the old software or the old firmware. So this is the Canon M50, so we're gonna switch to it. Really love this camera for vlogging. You know that, I just released a video. But why don't we just go through the process of updating the camera and do a small little test just to see if that autofocus is actually working for us. Right? Ready? Let's do it. Okay, so we are now on the Canon EOS M50 and we are about to do the firmware upgrade to this bad boy here. So what you will need is very, very simple. It is just one SD card to put the firmware on, and obviously your camera to update. So basically you will go to the link that I put down below here. If you want to do it very, very simply, if you don't want to search for it, I will put the direct link to where you can hit that download button. So let's put the actual SD card in the computer. I am on the page for the firmware update, so I'm just clicking begin download here, and it's offering me, of course, a lot of option when it comes to downloading it. I like to put it directly on the card. I don't know if that's the best practice or not, but I just put it directly on the SD card. So I hit save on the SD card. Now the firmware is being recorded on the SD card, and once it's finished in 1 second, what you need to do is to click eject on your SD card. And this is the little tricky part if you want to update your firmware on your Fujifilm camera. So you will put the SD card that you just put the firmware on, the new firmware on, in the slot 1 of your camera right here. And then what you'll do is that you will hit the info button, so the display back info here, while you are, so the display button right here where my thumb is. So you will hit that button right here, and then you will open the camera after hitting the button and keeping your finger on the button, so just like that. And what it'll do, it'll tell you what version of the body and what version of the lens you have attached to the camera. And here we can see that we have the body version 1.2. So if I click OK, if I click yes, it'll ask me what do I want to upgrade. And of course here we want to upgrade the body because we want that very, very smooth autofocus. It's going to tell me that if I want to upgrade from 1.02 to 1.1, which is the current firmware upgrade, and we're saying yes, yes, most definitely, please do that, because we're sick of that old school autofocus that's not working for us. So it's gonna do its thing, so it's gonna take a little time. Let's go fast forward. So there we are with the Fujifilm X-H1 update to the version 1.1. And man, I am excited about that one. So why don't we switch the camera from the M50 to the X-H1 right now to test that autofocus and that auto ISO. Let's do it. Okay, so we are now back to the Fujifilm X-H1 with the new firmware update 1.10. And the ultimate test here for me when I show up a lot of stuff on the screen, like so. Let's see if it, oh my God, okay, so that is snappy. If I go back here, go back to my face, let's try to show in iPhone here. Oh yeah, I like the sound of it, and I like the actual snappy autofocus that this update is bringing to the camera. This is nowhere near the GH5, possibility of things you can do from a video standpoint. This is not the Canon autofocus that I praised every time I take a video. I'm like, can somebody be close to the dual pixel autofocus of Canon? I don't think so. I don't think there's anyone, maybe Sony, and I've used the A6500, as you know, but there's something about this Fujifilm ecosystem that I really like. I mean, this lens, this 1.4 16mm Fujifilm lens or Fujinon lens is just magnificent. If I come up close here, it's still tracking me, and the square is really good at tracking my face, way better. And I'm looking at the screen right now, that's why I'm looking up. Way better than it used to be. So wow, I think this camera has come a long way. It's always a bit tricky when you buy the version 1 of a camera. So this is the X-H1, remember the X Pro 1, a lot of problems with the autofocus. So this is what I like about Fujifilm, always a firmware update, even for older cameras. I mean, the X-T2 now has 120 frames per second. You can do slow-mo and very smooth slow motion with this camera. This is very cool from Fujifilm. So I think I'm gonna try to use this camera as sometimes a vlogging camera, but I prefer that one for vlogging. But when I want to do some cinematic shots, I mean, we're going to Maine, USA, and also to LA on vacation. So I will definitely bring, I think my kit will resemble, you know, what you're seeing here. So the Canon for the run and gunning, and the Fujifilm X-H1 for the photography, and some crazy buttery cinematic shot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the Fujifilm update, or about the Canon cameras, or anything about storytelling and photography and videography, please ask them down below. If you do like the content I'm putting out, do me a solid and please hit that like button, that thumbs up that you're seeing here. And if you want to go even further and be notified of every video that I put up, please hit that bell notification just down below, and you'll be notified every time I put out some content like this. So go crazy in the comments. I hope you guys are enjoying the beginning of summer, and you know what? Enjoy life, be happy, and enjoy your gear that just got upgraded. Cheers.